The video is recording now. In red. The number's in red.
Yeah. Alrighty, guys. This is Buddy. He's gonna have. We can get this in the boat. This is gonna be his personal best cobia. It should reach 50 inches. It is a nice one. It should be somewhere in that area, but this will be his personal best. We've put, I think,
This will be number 7.
Number 7 in the boat. We've seen over 60 so far today. Look at that, man. Look at that fish. Yeah, he's not ready yet. Yeah.
Oh, my eyes burning.
Huh?
Yeah.
We're getting that sweat down there in your eyes. Huh?
Oh yeah.
What do you think, Dave? What a day, buddy. What a day.
This wasn't even with the pod.
Huh?
It was underneath.
You get underneath of it. It was probably more than that, you know, what we saw. You know, down below him. Hey, man. What a day, man. Huh? This is crazy. Killing them, man. Killing them.
Here it comes. Like,
Not ready yet. Not ready yet. I'll go up top here. You can get a good look at this fish from up here. Huh? Beautiful fish, man. Beautiful. Get out in front of him if you can. Got him! Woo! Got him, man. Free spool. Get in free spool. Oh, yeah. Look at this, guys. Man. Big fish. Huh? Big fish. Oh, heck yeah. We are killing them today. Buddy.
We nailed it.
Yep.
What's that rag at?
That's what I'm talking about.
All right. 47.
47. All right, we get some pictures.
I'll get a picture.
Yep.
I'll get a picture.
What's the best way to hold them?
Under the gills like I was.
Underneath the gills and up.
Yep, right up under.
Yeah, hook your hands up in there, buddy. Get him up in there. You can hold him sideways or. Oh, put the death grip on him, man. Grab that fish.
It's freaking slippery. Oh, gosh, what a slime ball.
Put the death grip on him. Yeah, put the death grip on him. Oh, yeah, hold him up sideways. No, hold him up sideways. Long ways.
Long way.
Yeah, long ways. Then I want to stop this video and I get you. And then get some.
Yeah, take the end.
There you go.
Like this?
Yeah, yeah. And then hold him up to your chest. There you go. And let them get some pictures of him dead there. Look how long that fish is. Oh my goodness, man. Woohoo, buddy. Yes, sir, bud. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about.
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah, man. Congrats, man. Personal best. Nice, nice, nice. All right, man. Let's send that thing. And after they get pictures, we'll get him in the water and let's get a release on him.
Got it? Got it? Yep.
There you go.
He took right off.
All right, awesome. There you go, buddy. We are killing it out here today. Woo! Best fish in a long time. Cobia fishing in the Chesapeake Bay. Yes. All righty, guys, we're gonna go get some more.